does it mean to be customer first at ABTech? Hi, I'm Ken Abbott, president of ABTech in Fitzwilliam, New Hampshire. Our mission is to help our customers solve their most challenging motion system problems. We provide application-specific, high-accuracy, air-bearing motion systems to solve our customers' needs. We take pride in precision, and we challenge ourselves daily with continuous improvement to ensure each product meets or exceeds our customers' expectations. We believe our proven process of discovery of the application, collaboration with the customer, providing the quotation, execution of the build, implementation of the solution, and follow-up give us the precision difference. Over the past 23 years, ABTech has been supplying roundness gauges, turbine engine assembly systems, high-precision air-bearing rotary tables, linear slides and high-speed spindles, oil hydrostatic slides, precision mechanical linear and rotary stages, multi-axis components, and turnkey multi-axis systems.